Alright, another run today, tonight at Clark. Woo! Palakas lang. Check the outfit. Alright, hindi maulan, pero mag-run kami.
Boss! Bossy!
Warm up lang muna, warm up. Start namin sa walking. Okay, start namin sa 1 kilometer breeze walk.
Pero breeze walk, tapos ganyan.
Masyado tayong sweet. Paging ganda.
Kasi yung weight ko na
Tigi. 1 kilometer done, pure breeze walk. 30 minutes and 55 seconds.
30 minutes?
13!
Oo nga, napagkakarinig ko sa'yo 30. Tapos sabi ko 14 sa akin.
Walking lang. Napakagaling form mo, yung form.
Lap 2, 1309.
Yun, 13:09 for our second kilometer.
Ayun.
Improving. We're running at 10. Woo! Grabe. 10! Bumubulusok kami mga tropa. So, about 2.75 injury timeout. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo? 3 kilometers done. 16 minutes and 10 seconds. 16:10. Na-injured siya.
Pero okay na konti-konti.
Okay na siya. Tingnan natin. We'll see. Water break. 4 kilometers, around 16, almost 17 minutes. Maraming ano yan, maraming time out. 5 kilometer yung jog namin. Try namin yung jog. Are you ready? Alright, medyo bad day.
I'm so weak.
Yeah, bad
Ako,
day.
hina.
Walking kami ulit until 5 kilometers. Then maybe we call it today. Yes, sir. Alright, almost 5 kilometers after food and drinks. Kain muna.
Lap 5, 1812.
Yun, 18 minutes and 12 seconds for our first kilometer. Around 1 hour and 18 minutes.